My hair was long. I mean, like, extremely long. It was really hard to manage. It had a lot of heat damage and was honestly just too much. So I decided to chop it. So today is the day I cut my hair. Yep. See that? That's my hair. And tomorrow's graduation. So I wanted to cut it to surprise everyone because I couldn't do that since school ended early. I washed my hair and I combed it. I also measured it like yesterday from right here to the back, and it's about 55 inches. It goes like right here. It's not really an accurate representation, but I'm going to cut part of it now because I'm going to either donate it or sell it. And my hair appointment is really soon, so I'm gonna do this very fast. I'm gonna cut like right there. I grabbed the grossest hair ties I could find. I'm gonna leave room so that way the hairdresser isn't like, I can't cut your hair, or like she wants to cut my hair shorter, because I want my hair to either be like shoulder length or below chin length. I think all of my hair is in there, so I'm just gonna go for it. I haven't cut my hair since August 2016, and it is July 22nd or something. Let's see how long this is. It's going to be almost 35 inches. Yeah, and tomorrow's graduation. Wow, I'm really just going for it. I'm pretty calm about this because I don't like my hair. I want it to go away. Wow. Okay, I gotta do a thumbnail, I guess. Whoa, that feels so weird. Oh, that looks terrible. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it on my next one. It's a really good thing that I'm going to the hairdresser to get this cut. Oh, this hurts. Wait, it feels so weird. It feels so weird. It feels so weird. Okay, good. I left enough. This feels so weird. I like it though, so it's okay. Oh my gosh. I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna get this professionally cut. Hopefully it'll look good. I don't really know if there's any much to say, except that I was really annoyed sitting on my hair. And it's also really annoying when people tell you to cut your hair, because it makes you not want to cut it even more. I feel like this video is kind of anticlimactic. I got my hair cut. I'm probably gonna need to straighten the ends and curve them in, because it looks like it's uneven, but I don't think it's actually uneven. I think it's just because my hair is kind of going in different directions. My ends usually they're not always super straight. I wore a mask, by the way, while she was cutting my hair. Don't worry about that. It's so cute. I think I'm not crying right now because I like it so much. Might cry later, just because that's what we normally do. It's so light and kind of look like Dora on this angle. I really like it. I'm going to get my best friend's reaction. I'm so
excited. What? Oh Lord! Oh my goodness! Holy guacamole! I love it.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. Oh Lord!
I'm officially joining the middle part gang. So I didn't make an outro for this video because I didn't know when it was going to end. I filmed my sister's reaction and I forgot to film my mom's reaction, but they were kind of boring, so I didn't include them. I also didn't film my graduation, so I didn't get anyone's reactions then, and most of the people that I am close with did not go to graduation, so it wasn't that drastic of an experience. It's been a month since I cut my hair and I haven't regretted it since. I love it so much. Haven't cried about it. Yeah, sorry this is the first video you guys are seeing in like a year. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and I will see you in my next one. Bye!